In a previous video, Pawpaw Sammy talks about his peppers and how he makes a greenhouse for them.
Okay, this is my temporary hothouses. I got it wrapped, bisqueen plastic wrapped around wire like this. And the funny thing is, I thought that tomato was dead. And it's been cold, down in the 30s. And look at that thing, it's blooming. But anyway, this is what I did for my peppers. I'm going to try to run these peppers over and keep them for next year. If you'll notice, I have bisqueen, and look up here, I have the tops off of totes, just regular old tops. And I left a little crack around the edge for it to breathe. And so far, they holding up. Good luck. Like and subscribe.